Nokia 6220 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. You need slotted screwdriver, Torx Plus size 6 driver, dental tool, tweezers, DC plug, and SRT6 and 10. Check optical condition of window. Remove B cover. Separate C cover from A cover. Remove key mat. Also protect the inner side of window to avoid dust and scratches. Unscrew the 6 Torx Plus screws in the following order. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Take the engine from C cover. Disconnect LCD connector. Take SRT6 to open the clips of display shield. Remove display shield. Pull the edges of LCD frame and press out LCD from the back side. Protect LCD. The dental tool can be used to remove microphone. Lever out speaker from guiding pin side. Slightly bend LCD frame and unlock UI module from the left side. Take LCD frame as underground for the next action. Place a Torx driver flat on the shielding lid and lever up the connector shield. And now the other side. Remove connector shield. Take SRT10 and carefully unlock the first side of camera module. Now unlock the other side and watch the camera module coming up. Take the other side of SRT10 to pull out the camera module. With a DC plug, you can remove DC jack. Lever up vibromotor with tweezers. Take away release spring from C cover. Push out release button from C cover. Lever out antenna ASSI from C cover. Take away volume key. Remove power key. Now, disassembly procedure is finished.